My name is Katie Marie, and I'm a model. I actually had someone tell me about it that I was shooting with, and they were like, you should definitely follow Alice, and you should also definitely try to do her events, reach out to her, because they're really great and you would do really well there. And so then I reached out to her about a year and a half, maybe 2 years ago now. And schedules were hectic, but now I was able to come, she was able to bring me, and I'm super happy to be here. It was a lot more put together than I expected. So obviously there's a central location for everything, which is great. There's enough room, but in my head I was thinking it was like way far spread out than this, and so I was, just didn't know what to expect. But whenever I got here, I was really happy to see that there's really a space for everyone, and having like the she shed for the models is really nice, and having a space to put our stuff instead of just like out on the grass. I was pleasantly surprised. It feels nice knowing that someone that understands what the models go through is putting on an event. So therefore, everything that we could possibly need was accommodated for. There were a lot of amenities, and I definitely expected that, having a model host it, but I've been to events, smaller events hosted by models, and they're not as nice as this. More reassuring knowing that there was, a model that cares about models, hosting an event, making sure that we were all going to be comfortable. Amazing, but also less amazing than I wanted it to be, because I didn't know what to do on the horse, because my first time posing on a horse, but I was super, super excited. I got the main poses that I wanted to do on the horse. I'm glad I got to do it twice, in a beautiful dress, and then also in my birthday suit. So those are the ones that I'm most excited for. But I mean, Odin was amazing. He didn't really move very much, really easy to pose on, and yeah, it was a lot of fun. I was really excited for that part. Besides on the horse, there's a fallen tree near the creek, and then there's some ferns. Those two spots were my favorite. The lighting, because the trees, a little bit of overcast today, they're beautiful. And I was able to kind of be nymphy in nature, which is always nice. Meeting Alice in person was great. She's always been really helpful online, and she's just as helpful and kind in person. Put a lot of work into this event, and I know she's very genuine about wanting to make it better every year, and she's even expressed oh, we changed this from last year. This has progressed and gotten better from the first years before, and you can definitely see it. I really liked seeing my full schedule on the board, that they asked in advance for that. I didn't have to come in and do it myself, but I also could go in, and I was able to add in additional bookings that I got as well with the Sharpies and whatnot. So the stations and everything that we have a fridge and a microwave out in nature. We've got plenty of water, plenty of coffee, plenty of snacks and food, a nice bathroom. So the overall organization, I think, has been really, really nice and really key for how smooth the weekend has run. All of the girls have been amazing. We've all been super just hyping each other up, super excited for each other. All the photographers have been really great too. The staff has been wonderful. I've had a really good time and made lots of connections in different parts of the world, so worth it. Show up. My name is Katie Marie, and if you would like to follow my journey or book me, work with me, see my work at all, feel free to follow the links down below. You can reach out to me via Instagram or email.